Hey everyone! Today we will be taking a quick look at how HomeManager's monthly giveaway works. Every month there will be a drawing of 3 prizes that homeowners can be entered to win. You can access these details by clicking View Qualification to Enter on the home board, or clicking View under Monthly Win Prizes on the left-hand menu. Prizes may change month to month and are tiered based on prize value and points required to qualify. You can see a quick look at who sponsored that prize, how many points are needed to qualify, and how many points you've earned so far that month. To earn points, you need to complete monthly tasks, add professionals to your home team, enter or update your home cost and market value in the property summary, and upload your emergency floor plan. If you're ever confused on how to locate any of these, you can always click on this icon to take you directly to where you can complete them. And once you've achieved the appropriate amount of points to be qualified to enter, you will automatically be put in the drawing. If you win one of the drawings, HomeManager will notify you on our site and through email. This was a quick look at how HomeManager's monthly giveaway works. Thank you all so much for watching. See ya!